Hello friends, myself Muhammad Fahim Hassan and you are watching FineGap YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can migrate your website from a live server to localhost using Duplicator WordPress plugin. So mostly whenever you do customization on a WordPress website, so this is a good idea that you take backup of that website in your local host and then you can do the development without worried on anything. And then once you tested your website on localhost, then you can upload your website back to live website, or maybe you can only upload the changes to live website. So let's start. So first of all, you can see that basically this is my a live website, and here you need to click on plugin section. Once you will open the WP admin of your website, and here you can search for Duplicator. So you will see this WordPress plugin. It's built by Syed Balki, and it have at this moment when I am recording this video 1+ million active installation. So you can click here a button to install this, and then you can activate this. Once you will install this plugin, you can scroll down here and you can see we have an option for Duplicator. Just click on backups, and here first of all we need to create a backup, so I will click on create new. From here I am going to click on next. It will take some few seconds, and after that again you need to click on the build. So now it can take some few seconds or maybe few minutes. Now after that's processing complete, you will see here two options, one for installer and one's for archive. You need to download these both files, so maybe you can click on simply clicking on one by one, or you can click on download both. So it is asking me where I should save that, so let me save that in htdocs, and here I'm going to create a new folder which let me name this Seychelles. Okay, and I will open this and I will save these both files there, this zip file and that PHP file as well. So this is the process that you need to do on your live website only. So next process is we need to set up that backup to our local host. Now first of all, you can open your XAMPP and you can start your server and your database, and then you can type here localhost and / Seychelles. Basically you need to, let me show you. You can see that this folder we were created, so we need to copy its folder's name, and after localhost we need to paste that, and you can see that it is displaying me this installer.php. Okay, now you can see that we have installer.php and the zip file that is approximate of 803 MB. We have downloaded that, and now you need to click on that installer.php. Okay, one thing you need to make sure is make sure inside your local disk C, there you already know that there is a XAMPP folder, and then inside that there will be a PHP folder, and when you will open the php.ini, make sure you will find this line, and if this is commented like this, you need to uncomment that, and then you can again restart your server by stop, and again you can click on start and starts, because this process need to unzip the backup that we have downloaded, so that's why we need to give the unzip permissions to our server. Okay, so now then you will see this screen. So here basically you need to type your host name, which is localhost, and now we need to create a database. Okay, so let me go back and type here localhost / php myadmin. Now let's just create a new database. Let's call this Seychelles. Let me click on create, go back there, and here I'm going to paste that Seychelles. The username would be root, and in localhost mostly your password database is empty, so you don't need to write anything here. And then you can click on validate, and then you can click on this checkbox, I have read accept all terms and notices, and then click on next. And now this is showing you that new URL will be this, and yes, you can click on OK, and now basically it is importing that database to localhost. Now after few seconds or maybe after few minutes, you will see this screen, and you can click on admin login, and now you can use your login detail to log in here. So I have put my login details there, and here you need to put the WP admin login details, the username and password that you set on your live website. So now you can see that everything is my plugins, each and everything is on my local host, and I'm really happy for that, because now I can develop the custom functionalities basically on my website without worrying about anything. So I hope that this video will be helpful for you. If you have any question, you can ask us in the comment section. We will try to answer your question. And please subscribe to our YouTube channel for our regular videos. And finally, thanks for watching.